Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to autoplay Facebook video turn on. We start by opening Facebook and then click on our account icon. After that, click on Settings and Privacy and then on the Settings option. Here we are going to enter the media category. Here in the autoplay category, you can activate videos to play automatically with Wi-Fi or data or never autoplay. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.